Hey guys, it's Morgan Christine at it with a new video. Sorry, it's been taking me a while for new videos. This will be after my collab with Megan B, or Megan It Clean with Me or something like that. I know it's something like that, but I can put it down in the description. Sorry I sound a little funny. I'm just super tired and I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm getting married next week on the 21st, and today's video is just a laundry routine with a family of 3. We're technically a family of 4, but my son does not live with us. So today's video is just going to be a straight laundry routine, me showing you basically what I do. But I'm going to talk over this a little bit, plus do a little bit of music. But I am just switching the laundry over. I usually try to do, honestly, I've been doing it here lately where I have a set schedule that usually Mondays are my wash, like the towels. And then on Wednesday is usually I wash the regular clothes. And then on the weekend, or on Friday, I usually wash our sheets and stuff. Once a month or every couple months, I wash usually our curtains. The shower curtain I wash monthly, or you can even wash it every 2 weeks. It's just a little difficult to get it off of the hooks in the bathroom. And the blankets, like on our couch and stuff like that, I wash once a week, just to make sure that if we have any guests over, the couch is nice and fresh. What's crazy, I'm wearing the black shirt that I'm wearing on that video today, just because it is super hot here in Ohio where I live. So yes, detergent I am using is, I think it's like the Sun or even the Extra brand. I use the cheaper end brand because they don't break me out. I've used Tide, especially the Tide Pods, and they actually break me out. Fabric softener, I like to use distilled vinegar. I like also the Suavitel, or the off brand of Snuggle is a good one. Right now, that container has baking soda in it. I also love using baking soda, especially on towels, and also my fiance's work stuff, because he works in a restaurant, so that the stench of the restaurant is sometimes still on the clothes. I even like it on my daughter's clothes if she has stains. You can throw the cups into the laundry. I don't really do that all the time. I think it depends on just my mood, I guess. I am also filming our wedding. I'm going to have, hopefully my mother-in-law will just we'll set the camera up, but she can make sure that the video does not get cut out, or if she needs to move it a certain way, I'm going to bring my tripod and everything. Right here, I'm just folding, I think, towels, possibly. You guys might think this is done in one day. I don't think I did this all in one day. I think it's brought out in a couple days. So yes, I'm going to start the music and let it play, speed up the video a little bit, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Remember to subscribe, it is free, and also let me know in the comments if you're coming over from Instagram or anywhere. Also make sure you turn on the notification bell, because it lets me know basically when so you guys know when I'm uploading and everything. Of course, my fiance just loves smacking my butt. What else is new? Anybody else's significant other do that? But yes, I hope you guys like this video.